Alright, good morning. We're now here at the Glacier Lagoon and it's just absolutely amazing. All this ice. Having never been here before, it's just takes my breath away. So I'm not quite sure what we're going to do shot wise, but it's just truly amazing. So anyway, if you go down there, you see the river going to the sea, and that's where Diamond Beach is, where we were last night. So, so after we've been here a little while, we're going up to an ice cave, which hopefully will be brilliantly spectacular as well. So, anyway, we'll see you a bit later. Oh, it's just really, I mean, looking up, you look up to the ceiling there, it's just, this is just a fascinating place. So hopefully some of the shots will come out, and if they're any good, I'll put them on the video after this.